All right, let's go ahead and get back to your forecast. We have meteorologist Robert Suhr tonight. All right, Robert, tell us about the rest of our weekend.
Well, the holiday weekend is shaping up pretty nice. Temperatures slowly cooling off, so that dangerous heat, that oppressive humidity, getting shoved out of the area slowly, especially by the time we get to Monday. It'll really start to feel nice outside. If you are traveling today through Monday, really not a lot of major disruptions look likely. Just a lot of hit or miss summertime storms everywhere. You see the yellow here into the Florida Panhandle as well. So thankfully, no, I don't expect a lot of weather-related cancellations. Now, there are other things that could lead to cancellations, which is why you want to check with your carrier first. But in terms of the weather, I think we should be okay. Rogers outside right now, it's hot, but it is quiet. 95 degrees, feels like 102 thanks to that 71-degree dew point. Elsewhere across northwest Arkansas for your neighborhood, mid-90s or so, so a degree or two cooler than we were at this point yesterday. It's still hot, though, in the River Valley and into the Ouachitas as we're atop Kavanaugh Hill. Still 99 with a heat index there of 104. It just is brutal to be outside for any length of time. Upper 90s for the most part in the River Valley. Boonville still one of the outliers, hanging on to a temperature of 100 degrees. And we're still hanging on to plenty of moisture in the atmosphere. These dew points, upper 60s and lower 70s, that is tropical. But we're going to shave a couple of degrees off these dew points by the time we get to Monday, thanks to a front. It's going to cross the area throughout the weekend. So quiet tonight, really no issues. First half of tomorrow looks quiet as well. But as this front approaches from the northwest, it could fire off a couple of isolated showers and storms across our area. Best chances, as I said earlier in the show, for any thunderstorm activity north of Highway 412. There could be general thunderstorms here, everybody else, but some of you may not see anything at all. Most of this is over by the time the sun sets on Sunday. Front crosses Saturday night, and then a cooler day and a slightly less humid day on Sunday and beyond. As I said, an isolated severe storm possible far northwest Arkansas, north of Highway 412. Just general storms for everyone else. Better storm chances far to the north and the east. There's a look at our lows tonight. Really not any different than the past couple of nights. We're stuck in the mid-70s, a very muggy, humid night. Not great sleeping weather. But again, temperatures tomorrow, because we'll have some additional cloud cover, upper 80s and 90s instead of upper 90s and triple-digit heat. Here's a look at that extended forecast, which does feature on and off chances for rainfall. Monday and Tuesday for the fourth holiday, more of the pop-up variety. Pattern change looks possible as we get toward the end of next week, where we could see more widespread rain and cooler temperatures, below average temperatures actually, as we get toward the end of the week. River Valley about the same thing, the outside chance for a shower or a weak thunderstorm tomorrow. But I think for any fireworks issues, we should be okay. We forecasted 101 for Brent, Oklahoma, got to 97. That is good enough so that Bev Covington is going to get that Darby Bobby umbrella. And then Allison will take you to Springtown right outside of Gentry tomorrow with a high of 89 degrees.